Imagine going on a date after your date spends rupees 370 on chicken biryani and then you're entitled to give them something in return. Sounds absurd, right? Well, that's exactly the conversation taking over social media after a clip from comedian Pranit More's Gurugram show went viral. What started as a crowd work has now turned into a serious debate about consent, entitlement, and the way some people still view relationships. Let's break that down. I am Ritika Rajput and this is what's happening. You must have come across a video of audience work segment at a live comedy show. An audience member shared a story about a date. According to him, he took a woman out for a date and spent around 370 rupees on chicken biryani. Later, when the woman asked him to drop her home, he jokingly suggested he wanted to vasool or recover the money he spent on her. He goes on and takes her to a park. Further details he shared on the show are something I can't even begin to explain. The audience laughed. Pranit More laughed and called it peak Gurugram content. But once the clip reached social media, the reaction was very different. Many viewers felt that the statement reflected a mindset where spending money on a woman creates expectation of a reward. And that's where the controversy began. Netizens argue that the issue isn't the amount of money, it's the idea behind the statement. The phrase vasool karna implies the money spent was an investment that deserved a return. And when that return is expected from a woman simply because she accepted a meal, many people see it as problematic because consent doesn't work like a transaction. Buying someone dinner doesn't buy their affection, it doesn't buy their physical intimacy, and it certainly doesn't create an obligation. For many viewers, the clip exposed a larger issue that extends beyond dating apps and comedy clubs. It highlighted a culture where some men feel entitled to a woman's time, attention, affection simply because they spend money. The situation makes me wonder about when a woman defended her honor on a comedy show, the episode led to arrests. When a man openly confesses about himself expecting sex from a woman just because he bought her food on a date and then goes on and tells details of how he insisted her into intimacy, somehow it is being let go and taken as a joke. But is this a joke or a rapist's mentality speaking? Why does a man feel entitled to expect such a thing from a woman? Is consent so lost that asking consent isn't even in question? Are we shielding future rapists or are we encouraging men in our society to behave such a way? For how many more years do we wait before consent is non-negotiable? This wasn't just a joke. It was the alarming sound of the condition of women's safety in India. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao won't be enough to keep women safe in this country. It's about time we educate our boys and men too. Subscribe to Primetime India for more updates.